Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a kitchen essential that every home cook needs: rice cookers. Whether you're looking for something simple for everyday meals or a versatile machine that can handle much more than rice, I'll be reviewing 5 of the most popular rice cookers on the market. Each one has its own strengths, so stick around until the end to see which model might be the perfect fit for your kitchen. The first rice cooker on our list is the Aroma Housewares 6-cup rice cooker. This one is known for its simplicity and ease of use. With just a one-touch operation, it's as straightforward as it gets. Simply add your rice and water, press the button, and let it do its job. It can prepare 2 to 6 cups of any type of rice, making it ideal for small to medium households. Once cooking is done, it automatically switches to keep warm mode, so your rice stays ready to serve without drying out. The Aroma is also more versatile than it looks. It can handle soups, chili, jambalaya, and other dishes. The tempered glass lid lets you monitor your food while cooking, and cleanup is hassle-free thanks to its non-stick removable inner pot. It also comes with a rice measuring cup and spatula. This is the perfect choice for someone who wants an affordable, no-fuss rice cooker that gets the job done. Next up, we have the Black+Decker 6-cup rice cooker, another reliable and budget-friendly option. Like the Aroma, it can make up to 6 cups of cooked rice, which is plenty for small families. One feature that stands out is the automatic keep warm function, which keeps your rice fresh and ready to eat until you're ready to serve. It also comes with a steaming basket, so you can cook veggies, fish, or dumplings at the same time you're making rice. Perfect for quick and healthy one-pot meals. The non-stick removable bowl makes cleanup easy, and both the measuring cup and spoon are included to help with portioning. The cooker also has a steam vent to prevent messy boilovers. This rice cooker is all about convenience. Simple, practical, and dependable for everyday use. If you're looking for something more advanced, the Cosori 10-cup rice cooker is packed with features. This model offers a whopping 18 cooking functions, allowing you to cook different types of rice and grains, oatmeal, steamed veggies, soups, and even sauté dishes. What makes it unique is its fuzzy logic technology, which automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature for perfect results every time. Whether you're cooking jasmine rice, quinoa, or brown rice, the Cosori ensures fluffy, evenly cooked grains. It also has a 24-hour keep warm function and a 24-hour delay timer, giving you flexibility to plan meals in advance. If you're in a hurry, the quick rice feature lets you whip up rice much faster without losing quality. Cleanup is easy thanks to its non-stick ceramic inner pot and dishwasher-safe lid. Plus, the large capacity makes it perfect for families who want versatility and consistency. Now let's talk about the Toshiba mini rice cooker, which is a compact but powerful option. Despite its small size, it's highly versatile, with 8 cooking functions including white rice, brown rice, mixed grain, porridge, cake, slow cook, and more. This rice cooker is designed with fuzzy logic technology, meaning it senses moisture levels and adjusts cooking time and temperature automatically. That ensures perfectly fluffy rice without any guesswork. It also comes with a 24-hour delay timer and keep warm tosh reheat function, so your meals are always ready when you need them. The large LED display makes programming easy, while the compact size is great for smaller kitchens or individuals who don't need a huge cooker. On top of that, it's built with safety features like a detachable power cord, lid locks, and overheating protection. It's a reliable, budget-friendly choice for anyone looking for a small but versatile rice cooker. Finally, we have the Comfee 4-cup rice cooker, which doubles as a multi-cooker with 10 digital programs. It can cook rice, grains, oatmeal, cake, eggs, jam, and even sauces. The quick rice function cooks rice in just 28 minutes, making it perfect for busy weeknights. It uses sensor logic technology to automatically control cooking time and temperature, giving you consistent, fluffy rice and perfectly cooked grains every time. With its 2-quart capacity, it makes up to 8 cups of cooked rice, which is plenty for small households. This model also includes a 15-hour delay timer and 24-hour keep warm function, adding flexibility for meal planning. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its nonstick inner pot, and it comes with a steamer basket, measuring cup, rice spoon, and soup spoon. Compact, versatile, and user-friendly, the Comfee is an excellent choice if you want more than just a basic rice cooker. So there you have it. 5 excellent rice cookers, each catering to different needs. The Aroma and Black+Decker are perfect if you want something simple and affordable. The Cosori offers advanced features and versatility for families who love experimenting with different grains and dishes. The Toshiba Mini is compact but powerful, great for small kitchens. And the Comfee stands out as a budget-friendly multi-cooker that gives you way more than just rice. No matter which one you choose, all of these cookers can save you time and effort in the kitchen while delivering consistently delicious results. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description to grab any of these rice cookers for yourself. Thanks for watching.